everybody, this is Kim
and David.
We're back again to make a video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave me some comments at the bottom, right?
Right.
So this video is going to be on Oreos.
We're going to be cooking the Oreos.
Yes, we're going to cook the Oreo. We're going to fry the Oreos. I got the double stuffed Oreos and the red velvet Oreos. This is my first time doing this. I was actually looking at some videos and a young lady made a video on how to do it. So I said that'd be something fun for me and Damon. So you ready to get started?
Yep.
All right, we're going to get started. Okay, now we're in the kitchen and we get ready to get started. First, we got to have the Oreos, as we showed y'all earlier. You need Oreos. We're going to try it two ways. With the crescent rolls. And with the pancake mix. And I'm not sure if you need a certain kind of pancake mix. I don't know. This is just what we use here in the house. So this is what we're going to use. And of course you need a bowl. Some water for the pancake mix. Spoon and a knife. Okay, so we're going to get started. First thing we're going to do is make up the pancake mix. Okay, let's open it up. You want to mix it while I pour?
Yeah. With the spoon?
Yes, with the spoon. Okay, this one. Pour a little bit in the bowl. Okay.
Water.
Now we're going to add the water. We're not going to measure or anything. We're just going to do it. Okay, get ready. Start mixing.
You can hold it.
Yeah, go ahead and hold it. While Damon is doing that, I'm going to open up the crescent rolls. You know, back in the day, these used to scare me when they open, but I don't even think these pop anymore like they used to do a long time ago. We're going to just try to see if it'll pop open, just banging it on the counter. There we have it. Okay. We got that done. Let's see. Let me see if the mixture... And you just want to mix it up just like regular pancake mix. So that's pretty good. Good job. Okay, now we're going to use the crescent rolls. Then we're just going to cut it. If you have a pizza cutter, that's probably the best way to cut this, but ours is dirty. I thought it was clean. You ready? Yep. And then we're just going to fold it over them. All the way over. Just fold it. You're going to wrap all the Oreo up inside of it. Just like that. Just like that. Let's see. Yep. Hopefully I'm in frame because this is a dangerous portion of this video. I'm going to do the frying and the dipping because Damon cannot use the stove. So make sure that you're safe. Okay, we're done. This is what they look like. These are the ones with the crescent rolls, and these are the ones with the pancake batter. We're gonna let I'm gonna let Damon sprinkle them. And this stuff over here is just the crumbs from the pancake mix. I'm gonna let Damon sprinkle them with powdered sugar. Okay. This is what we got with the powdered sugar. Yum, yum.
Yummy.
Oh, shoot. They finna slide off. Next thing you know, they're going to be on the floor. Okay, now for the taste test. Okay. Which kind do you want to eat? This is with that crescent dough, and this is with the pancake mix. What kind? And we don't know which one is the red velvet or the regular Oreo. We don't know which one is which. Okay, which kind do you want? Which one? Okay, and I think I'm going to try this. This is the crescent one, and Damon got the pancake one. Okay, let's put a little bit more powdered sugar on it. Wait a minute. Is it still hot? I got a feeling this one is the red velvet. Ready?
Oh. Oh, red velvet.
That's what the inside look like.
This is good.
This is good. And this is really good.
More red velvet now.
We don't know what a red velvet is. And we got milk. Yummy. Okay. Now you get one of these kinds. And I'm going to try the batter.
This one big.
Oh, too much. You need more? Huh?
This side. No.
I did too
I
much.
got a regular one again. I can't get Oreo. This type of Oreo.
You want this one? They look like red velvet.
Right. Switch.
This is really good.
Red velvet.
That's really, really yummy. You think so? Which one you like better? I got the powdered sugar all over my hands.
I like this one better.
Do you? With the crescent rolls. You like the crescent rolls better than the pancake mix?
Yeah.
I need more milk. Which cookie do you like better? Do you like the red velvet cookie or the regular cookie?
Red velvet.
Really?
Yes. Even though it's not a good flavor one, it's still good.
Mmm. Got powdered sugar everywhere. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave comments at the bottom, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace. The pancake batter. That's a tongue tie. Pancake mix one's better. The ones that's made with the pancake mix, I like better.